Daddy! Daddy!
Too dark in here. Come on, go, go, go.
Where are we going?
I'm gonna go open some presents.
Luke's gonna open a present?
Yeah!
Is Luke allowed?
Yeah!
Where's the present?
Why are you walking backwards?
It's Daddy is, so it must be the thing to do.
Oh, I see. I'm gonna check on the food. You find the ones from other people that we got for him? You can open those.
You're gonna come open a present?
Yeah!
In here?
Yeah!
You think that's a good idea? Luke wants to come?
Yeah!
Mommy will lift you over? You gonna leave your monkey out there?
That's okay, Monkey can come.
Oh, we don't need monkey. We got enough toys in there. Come on in here. Look at that blankie. Clean up Chloe's water. Look at all those presents under the tree. Are any of those for Luke?
Yeah!
Well, that's good.
Papa, Mommy.
Luke wants to open a present? How about this one? This one's from your babysitters. Do you want to open
Do
it?
you want to open that?
Yeah!
Okay, sit by Mommy.
Come over here.
Mommy.
Sit. Okay.
Good, and Mommy will help you open.
Let's see.
Papa, Mommy.
You put your finger right here and pull. Oh!
Yeah, pull some more. That's right. Pull. Pull, pull, pull. What is it?
Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. Oh, good job. Keep pulling.
Keep going.
Keep going. Right there. Oh, wow. What is that? Is that a little piano?
Yeah!
Yeah? We're going to take it out and turn it on? What's that do?
Mom.
Yeah?
Mom.
Is that a piano?
Yeah!
Who got you that? Tori and Lexi?
Yeah!
Wow, what a lucky boy.
Yeah, should we see if we can figure out how to turn it on? Yeah? Yeah, it's coming. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't know how to turn it on, Daddy.
Bring it to Daddy, Luke.
Oh, power on. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
What is that? Is that a little piano? That's nice. Your girls got you that. Tori and Lexi. You want more presents? Okay, we'll get one more for you and then you're done. Let's see. Let's find you one more. Yeah, where's the... How about this one right here? Open that one. Okay, come over here. Oh, Mommy turned it off. You want to turn it back on? Right here. You gonna open this one? Okay.
Put that bow on Mommy's head.
Got that? Okay, over here. Grab right there. Pull. Pull hard.
Keep pulling. Good. More.
Over here. Grab right here. job. You're good at that.
Let him go, Mommy. Mommy,
Okay.
keep gripping. Keep pulling. Get it all off. Can you flip it up? Pull, pull, pull.
Oh, there you go.
He's doing good.
Oh, good. Oh, now we have to open. Are you going to pull this off? Good. Oh, you're not even going to look at what this is? Are you going to see what that is first? It is a teddy bear of some sort. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a big chicken. Or a duck. Chicken. Something.
And what else is in there?
And what else is in there? Oh. This looks like a fancy book. And another book? Is there another book in here? What kind of book is this? Is that a book for Luke? Look at that. Did you get some books? And you like a piano? Okay, good. You push these buttons here. You gonna turn around so Daddy can see you over this way? Or this way? There, now Daddy can see. Oh, where are you taking it?
Daddy.
Oh, to Daddy. Okay. Are you even looking at what you're taping?